So I just got done unloading. My neighbor's standing out there, he keeps staring over here pointing. Probably thinks I'm a weirdo. Bunch of good stuff in here. Bunch of bombs. Bunch of lightning rods. Some good stuff. Air supply cigarettes too while I was down there. This box a heavy sumbitch. All kinds of stuff in there. Got a bunch of different shells so I can take them apart. Show everybody what's inside it. We got Night Gallery, Thunderation. 5 boxes of dust shells, the good ones. Bunch of good stuff. Alrighty. I'll lay all this out and then take a video and show you all it.